me ask you this question. How many of you hate the word sales? What comes to mind? A sleazy type of person? Well, for many of us, that is the image. And today, we're here to reframe the word sales. For me, sales equals profound service. And all those numbers we share each week on our scorecards, they're simply the lives we were able to impact. Most of your advocates or liaisons will say, I'm not a salesperson. Today's reframe in day 11 is how you can help them see the value of sales. You're not selling hour, you're serving. Discharge planners and doctors keep their patients safe at home with better support. At Home Care Sales, we're here to give you the words and structures so that your advocate can more effectively serve. And diagnosis-based educational messages position you that way. This week, give them one diagnosis-based opener, such as, which diabetic patient did you see this week that you're worried about? That's it. It can be as simple as that to position you in service. In 3 and 90, we train our salespeople as educators and advocates with a system, not pushy salespeople, and we give them a weekly rhythm that they can follow. If that sounds like what your team needs, let's talk. Casey's calendar link is in the comments. Tomorrow is day 12, and we're going to be talking about calendared outreach. I can't wait to see you, because we're leading with heart and winning with strategy.